Okay, yeah, now it works. I can see everything. Okay, I'm gonna start like from the beginning again. I think yeah, you can see here there's a view all setup guides. So it has like the whole setup guides. I already set up like everything yesterday. It just says here, hi, let's get up and running, and then you have all the AI agents. So you can invite the team here, and you can add knowledge, name and tone of voice, test AI agents, and you can connect the email, which I already did, but it just shows this. There must be like an error or something, and you have workflow basics, set up more features. This is the knowledge, which you can also start, and messaging, voice, analytics. So these are just like the setup guides that they actually provide for you, but it's nothing complicated. And then right here, this is like just the status. So if you're doing transfers, it's like if you're working with tickets or away, and if you're online, yeah, you can just show you online. If you're away on a break or something, then you can just put like away. So for this scenario, we can just be online because since I'm already online. So there's only like one open ticket. Let me just pretty much, yeah, this is like let's just show like just the overview of like how this might actually function in quick simplicity. So this is like somebody like sends you an email or an email ticket about the product or something, then you will just like view the whole thing here. The requester, which is the customer, and then the assignee here, who's it assigned to. So for this scenario, it's assigned to the support. You can also assign to support, which means like if anyone can take it, or if there's a specific agent that they're requesting to speak to, then they can speak to that person, and any agent that's actually following. So John is actually following it, and then these are the tags. So language, they speak English. Confidence, they speak fluent English. Unless if they're speaking a different language, then you can actually have them right there. These are the type of a ticket you have: question, incident, problem, task, priority, low, normal, high. Uh, yeah, which is not pretty much like all the summaries that you can actually have here. I think that's like the admin has to set up this and the intent. So all the intents that you can add, we'll just say verification status. As you can see here, it changes to verification status, and you can pick positive, very positive, depending on the conversation that you're having here. And the sentiment, it's the same thing. If I change it to positive, it changes right there. Sentiment, confidence, and yeah, this is like the basic of this simple overview. And the filters, public messages, internal notes. See, there's a internal note right there, and the events. It's only like yeah, and then you can actually like have like create macros. If your administrator set up like macros, print ticket, view and light. And this current ticket, we can submit it as in progress. So the ticket is still in progress, it's not yet solved, and you are waiting for a response, which is the notes that we actually set up. And then you get like the time and the date, English, the email right there, and the customer's information. And this is the place where you can insert the information right here. You can add the contacts, tags, organizations. Can also add the user segments. Yeah, the user segments usually come from the administrative. So created Sunday, a sign in, the administrator will be able to see that. So I can also like merge into another user, assume identity. I can suspend the ticket. I can also delete the ticket. So this is just the basic functionality of operating the ticket. Nothing much.